Since I was 9 years old, I always wanted to be creative, show something new to people, and inspire them to do more. My name is Adama. I'm 25 years old and I live in Paris. I was in a conference about data jobs, and we don't have a lot of women in technology. And then someone talked about Samplon. It's 100% women program, and it was just fascinating for me.
This program helps to be sure that women can have free training about AI and Gen AI and technology. And at the end of the training, they are really empowered.
It's a first step for me to discover artificial intelligence because I feel like there is a big boom about that. And because I'm young, I want to take advantage of that.
It's really helpful to have the support of Microsoft. They give the opportunity for everybody and empowered the companies to hire according to the skills and not to the diplomas.
I'm most excited to be able to use AI in my life and to use it in my habits for everything.
What is important is to be open to a new technology and to understand how this technology can help you in the time where you are.
In the future, I want to work in the industry of traveling or advertisement because it's very interesting, and those two domains use a lot of AI. So for me, it's just logic.
This program can change the life of the woman here. To have this kind of training, really, this is priceless.